It is my pleasure to be back here on the Measurement Standard. Again, my name is Christopher Penn, co-founder of Brain Trust Insights, and some great questions this month about data and doubt. From fake news to Adobe's recent estimate that up to almost 30% of website traffic shows non-human signals. How much trust can we really put into the data we're collecting? Is this a problem? Well, data is not necessarily trustworthy, untrustworthy, so much as it is sourced properly and clean. Is the non-human traffic useful or valuable in any way? If it isn't, then certainly for a lot of web analytics software, as an example, you can filter out a decent amount of that. For social media data, it's a little harder to do that. But how much trust can we put in the data? Trust the stuff that we know is ours. Trust the stuff that we know is real. So, as an example, should you trust the raw website visitors number? Directionally, yes. Even if there is bot traffic in there, it still directionally should be going up rather than down, right? That's a pretty straightforward thing to keep an eye on. What matters to us as marketers are going to be things like lead generation, or shopping cart fills, or shopping cart abandons, or feet in the store, heads in beds, as in the hospitality industry. And what we can do is, with numbers we trust, like actual bookings, heads in beds, butts in seats, if you are doing movie theaters and stuff, you will have those numbers to benchmark off of, and then using statistics, using data science, using mathematics, you'll look to see what of all the other data signals that you have correlates and then possibly even causes those actual numbers that you care about, the ones that are most important. The further down the marketing operations funnel a number is, the more control we have over it, the more visibility we see into it, and the more value we get out of it. All right, because a sale is an important data point, but it also has a very clear business impact. A retained customer has a very clear business impact. A website visitor has some business impact, but not nearly as much. A like on Facebook may have little to no business impact, but if we don't do thorough attribution analysis and testing and good data science, then yes, you would need to start just questioning the value of all of your data. But trust from the bottom up, and do that math, and then you can know what data, what signals to trust and which ones not to trust, because they do or don't correlate to the outcomes we care about.